Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this one I'm gonna be showing you how you can download and install Easy Anti-Cheat. Now, this is the Easy Anti-Cheat website, and if we go through everything here, we'll see that there's no download button at all. And even if we search it on Google, there will still not not a single download button that you can find regarding Easy Anti-Cheat. But you can see here that there are easy protected games such as Apex Legends, Fall Guys, Fortnite, iRacing, and Rust. And if I go over to the desktop of my PC, it's currently not enabled. But that's the thing. If you looked around here, you can see that I have Fall Guys. And if we go over to Fall Guys here in my directory of Fall Guys, you can see that Easy Anti-Cheat comes with it. Which means if you download or install an easy protected game, then it will come with an Easy Anti-Cheat. So as you can see, even the setup is here. But first of all, before it works, you need to start the game for the first time in order for Easy Anti-Cheat to take over. So basically, you don't necessarily have any option when it comes to downloading or installing Easy Anti-Cheat independently. It has to be done alongside an Easy Anti-Cheat protected game such as Fall Guys. So if you want to download or install Easy Anti-Cheat, you download or install one of the games and it shall come with it. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.